My parents dragged me into court to force me to hand over my $3 million penthouse to my little sister. My mom cried like she was at a funeral. My sister sat there scrolling like she was picking paint colors. I walked in with one tablet and a lifetime of receipts. For 28 years, my parents treated me like the backup plan. Vanessa was the golden child. She got the big bedroom and new stuff. I got the converted storage room and be grateful. When I made honor roll, it was, that's nice, dear. When Vanessa did the bare minimum, they threw a party. I paid my own way through college. They poured my college fund into Vanessa's latest fresh start. I worked, studied, and took loans. Vanessa got allowances, excuses, and second chances. I went into tech, lived cheap, and saved hard. 6 years of 7-0. Hour weeks later, I bought a 2-bedroom penthouse on Capitol Hill. Floor-to-ceiling windows, a real home office. Quiet, the first place that ever felt like mine. Then I invited my parents over once. My mom walked around taking pictures. My dad asked the price and said, "Must be nice spending our money." I told him it was mine. He smirked and said their genetics basically paid for it. 2 weeks later, they showed up at my building with Vanessa, demanding to be let up. The concierge called me. I said no. My mom left a string of voicemails about how I was selfish, and Vanessa needed a nice place because she was going through a hard time. Her hard time was being asked to pay rent at 25. A month after that, I got served. My parents sued me. They claimed they paid my down payment, so the penthouse really belonged to Vanessa. They even attached emails I'd sent promising to buy Vanessa a home. I hired a real estate attorney, and she laughed out loud. "Do you want to end this?" she asked, "or do you want to end them?" Discovery was a gift. My bank records showed every dollar came from my paychecks. Their bank records showed no big withdrawals. The emails were generated from a temporary account, and the IP traced to my parents' home internet. But the best part was my building's security footage. Vanessa tried my lock at 2 a.m. My mom argued with the night concierge like she owned the place. Vanessa came back with a guy and a screwdriver, saying, "Once we get inside, we can say we were checking on things." 17 attempts in 6 weeks. So, on hearing day, their lawyer gave a speech about family duty and how I was wealthy and could just buy another home. The judge turned to me and asked if I had anything to say. I stood up and set my tablet on the evidence table. The screen showed my hallway at 2 a.m. Then Vanessa stepped into frame, hood up. Next, she shoved something into my lock and twisted. After that, she tried again, harder, and cursed. Then she looked right at the camera and kept going. Louder, she said. "This should have been mine anyway." Finally, she yanked the handle like the door owed her. My mom's tissue froze midair. My dad went gray. Vanessa stopped scrolling and just stared. The judge leaned forward. "Is that attempted burglary?" "Yes, Your Honor," my attorney said. "Multiple incidents. Police reports are included." My mom popped up crying. "We raised her. She owes us." "Sit down," the judge snapped. "Biology is not a deed." Vanessa tried to play victim. "She has everything. I have nothing. She should share." The judge didn't even blink. Need doesn't create ownership. Case dismissed with prejudice. My parents were ordered to pay my legal fees. The judge warned that any contact or attempt to access my home would get a restraining order fast. On the way out, my dad hissed, "You destroyed this family." I looked at him and said, "No, you tried to steal from me." The court just wrote it down. Afterward, they tried the sympathy tour. My dad emailed about bad legal advice and offered peace if I waived the fee award. My mom sent an apology that ended with a request for money. Vanessa tried a GoFundMe calling me a thief and posted my name and building. It raised a couple $100 before it got shut down. They paid the judgment right before the deadline. I upgraded my locks. My building banned them permanently, and I blocked every number and account. Some relatives quietly apologized once they realized the family dispute was actually a paper trail of lies and break-in attempts. Now I wake up on the 18th floor, drink my coffee by the windows, and enjoy the one thing they could never stand me having: peace.